I'm here with Henry Gallagher. Hey! How you doing, Henry?
Oh, it went amazing. Yeah, David Williams said I'd make squillions, so that's good, yeah.
Squillions?
Yeah.
Not millions, not billions, squillions.
Yeah.
Well, I hope squillions is a lot.
Yeah.
Tell me, what did the judges say?
Simon Cowell said that my song was really good, and I can't remember her name. Oh my god, no.
Alicia? Amanda?
Yeah, Amanda.
Oh, don't forget Amanda, she's my favourite.
Yeah, Amanda. She said that I'd get the girl that I wrote the song about in 2 seconds if she heard it.
Oh, wicked. And how did you feel before you went on?
And I was quite nervous, but I was really excited because if it went well, it'd just be amazing, and it did go well. So here we are.
And if you get through, what have you got planned next?
I've nearly finished a song that is like imagining that I'm going out with her, so I might be able to
So
do
we
that.
got progression. So when your next one will be going out with her, the one after that will be getting married, the one after that will be having 10 kids. So this could be like a non-ending song. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, wicked. So what's going to happen if you win the show?
That'd be amazing, and I'll get quite a bit of money as well. So I'll maybe buy something for my mum, and because she's really helped me
See,
a
you always
lot.
got to look after mum. Well, listen, we wish you all the best, and I hope you have a great time on BGT.
Thanks.
So just hit the button below if you want to see loads more Britain's Got Talent clips.
Go on, you know you want to.